The BMW MS45 ECU, paired with the M54 engine, is used in modules such as the 5 Series E60, X3E83, and Z4E85. Due to the age of these vehicles, issues such as rough idle, increased fuel consumption, or mismatched ECU parameters may occur, especially after replacing components like the throttle body or injectors. So how do you fix this? It's simple, just reset the parameters to restore the ECU's idle and throttle control to factory benchmarks. Then the ECU relearns the current engine idle conditions and the throttle's mechanical characteristic and operating status. Let me show you how. You will need ECU master, USB cable, jumper wires, and a high-power DC stable power supply. First, open ECU flasher. Select ECM, GMS45. Tap Start and choose Bench. On this screen, tap Connector pin out and connect the device correspondingly. Double-check your wiring and tap Connect. Once connected, select the Read Data to back up the original data. After the backup is successful, go to Advanced Functions and tap Reset Parameters. Select the parameters you need, and tap Reset Idle Adaptation and Reset Throttle Adaptation respectively. Done. You can also reset other parameters as needed. Pretty simple, right? Follow me for more electronic repair tips.